This mad bastard, he made it. He's a successful young entrepreneur at 17, and now because he's a guest of mine today, he's gonna share with us his insight into creating your own personal business. Step-by-step guide.
Today it's gonna be real quick because we are in a rush. So yeah, we're gonna start just right now. The first question being, what is your story? I mean background.
So my name is Bruno and right now I'm 17 years old and I want to fucking improve every day. Yeah, that's the point. But right now I have 4 projects. One is Grow Smart. I have it with the colleague from the previous video, Philip. We also have cybertruck.cz. It's like a project with Cybertruck. We are renting it to companies and also helping them to do some like ads with it or some paid promotion. Yeah, so it's really cool. And also we have Mysteries. So it's perfume shop. We are selling like samples. Yeah. So it basically works like you don't want to spend the whole money just for one perfume, you want to try more. So like if you will compare the prices in just the third of the whole price, you can get like more than 5 perfumes and try it, yeah? So that's the perfume shop, Mysteries. We're also doing like for some profile for women. And the last project, but not least, but it's like from the main one, it's the fourth and the last one, it's Vision.cz. It's like Try Vision Pro. It's Try Apple Vision Pro. Yeah, so we are renting it to companies with some presentation and some individuals that doing the presentation and helping people how to use it, try it, test it, right? Yeah. So that's the main 4 projects and something about me.
This is your business, but how did you meet these people? I mean, how do you start collaboration? Some people don't know it.
That's a good question. That's also like the main thing that I want to talk about right now, to speak about right now, because I mean it's not that hard, but you just need to start, yeah? So, how to start, yeah? So, think about that some thought will come to your head, yeah? If some thought will come to your head, you will like create your dream, because you don't know the path to it, and then from the dream you will create the goal. You will create the goal, you will need to find the path, yeah?
Social media addict. There, let's go for it. Flat bench press. It might seem hurried up, this video. Bruno is trying his best to share as many thoughts as he can because he's in a time press right now, me too. So yeah, we're gonna keep going this video. We're gonna try our best to give you more so you can get the most out of it.
Okay, so basically, when the thought will comes to your head, you should like, it will become your dream, of course, because you don't know the path how to achieve it. Then from the dream, if you want to make it go from your dream, you should find the path. Sometimes you will find the path quickly or slowly, it depends, but it depends on the like quality. It depends on the, how to fucking say, do you know what I mean, yeah? It depends. Because sometimes you may think that's the path, but it's not.
What fulfills you? You mean a path which fulfills you, which you crave.
Yeah, because
right?
like your thoughts are your thoughts. So if you have some dreams, you need to create it. If you want to achieve your dreams, everyone wants to achieve your dreams, their dreams. So you want to. So create goal from the dream, so you can really achieve it. That means find the path, and find path can mean like, okay, I want to do this business. We can get some example, yeah? I want to have fitness. If I want to have fitness center, I should start talking to some fitness guys that are big. They are experienced with gyms, yeah? I need to find feedback. I need to look for feedback. I also need to look for some suppliers of like gym stuff, yeah? Suppliers for gym stuff. if you will start to getting these puzzles together, it will start to create the path, yeah? So you need some brand, you need some logo. If you have brand and logo and brand colors, you should create some brand manual. If you have brand manual, you should create social site. If you create social sites, you should create some landing page, and you should also create some paid ads and everything. If you will have it together, then you can think about some investor. If you need money, you need to have financial plan every time you do something, yeah? It was my first, the first time that I knew that I need business plan. It was crazy, man. Some investor told me, give me business plan, financial plan. I was like, what the fuck is that? Yeah?
You didn't know.
Yeah, I didn't know. But that's the first feeling, the only one and the best. Because then you know, it's not that funny. So the first time I knew I need to do something. So
You mean you have to jump into it?
yeah. But I mean, like, the exact points, yeah? Exact steps. You should find some template. You should find web browsers. You should use AI to start to learn more about the topics that you need. So if you need business plan and financial plan, find some templates, fulfill it, and give this whole give this whole to someone to give you feedback that is experienced more, and he will tell you what to improve. Then you can find investors. Then you can really build your businesses. That's the first scenario. Scenario. That's the first scenario. It could be like more scenarios. A lot of businesses could be like really self-made. Yeah, you could do it alone. Some businesses you should do it like in two people, because like if you want to have agency, it's not like easy. If you are young or you have a lot of things to create alone. So yeah. So that's the first point. How to get from thought to goal.
Great. Yeah. Monster.
So I told you the first thing, how to get from nothing to something. That means from your thought to some goal. If you have exact goal and you have the path, there comes the time for discipline, some daily routines, some goals checkups. So again, you need to do monthly checkups, daily checkups, some daily routines. You need to have some discipline, yeah? That means if you will have checklist for your goals daily, fucking do it, yeah? It's like not that hard, but it's just about the discipline. Like, I think that's really easy to achieve something, but the thing that people don't understand is, if someone famous tell you, just do it, it's about discipline, and you did not, what do you expect? Yeah.
Expect.
Yeah, what do you expect? You expect like you will be somewhere if you do nothing? No. So if you have this, as I told you, just do it every day and you will see the results. When you will see the results, you will also see some problems that you need to solve, and then you will create some interesting system of your goal, how to achieve it, or you did achieve it, you will scale it, and that's it, yeah? Dobrý. Push.
I mean, custody, your employees, management, right?
It depends on what are your clients, because like if you have the clients, you could do it alone and just have like clients that are more than 20k euros a month, so you are like, you doesn't care about other clients. If you want to have more small clients, like I can say on our model, yeah, we have agency, Grow Smart, and we separate it to two parts, yeah. One part has its own CEO, and he has like whole team under him, yeah. It's like 40-50 people, yeah. And this part is like we have like clients from 1,000 euros to 5,000 euros, and every client in this range is going to this part. The clients that are bigger than this part, this range, going to the second category, and that's like Grow Smart special, we could say, and that's really me and my colleague, and we are doing the best of us, like on our own. Yeah, on our own, we are doing the services for the client with our team, but with our like expertise. Yeah, so that's the two categories. So you can split it. Yeah, for small clients, for bigger. That's our model. But if you are starting alone, you could do it all alone. Have some Fiverr experts to help you, because like smart thing is, if you want to do some service for some client, you should hire, or you could hire some guys from Fiverr, and they will do it in night, because they have day. There is some difference in time, different time zones, because they are from Pakistan or India or something like that, and they are good. Yeah, so you can like create team from Fiverr specialists or external team, and just do it with them, and do it with your own, but just the stuff like communicating with the client or checking the stuff. Depends, or you can do it your own if you are good at graphics. Yeah, it really depends on your model, but just think about it and create the system that will work best for you. I told you like 3 scenarios right now: external team with Fiverr and doing your own the main stuff. You could have 2 categories: have CEO has the small category and the big category, and do it on your own. And you also can have like everything do your own. Okay, 3 scenarios.
If you do everything on your own, it's time.
No, it's not scalable.
Right?
It's not scalable. The thing is, it's not scalable a lot of time. Yeah, it's about the expertise. If you are expert, you need to do it your own, but you need another experts to your team. So if you start, you should do it on your own to learn the stuff and be the expert, and then hire people. But you can check they are experts, because you can give them a feedback because you are already expert. You know what I mean? So every time you should start alone. Depends if it will be like 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, but you should get to some level that you can hire other people and tell them what is good. But you can check the quality. That's it.